Something happened at the US Fed last week that hasn't happened in the past 33 years. 4 members voted against the decision. The last time the Fed was this divided was in the year 1992. And the reason for this matters for your home loan as well. Of lately, the Fed held rates steady at 3.5 to 3.75. Well, no surprise there. But the fight inside the meeting, that's the story. One member wanted to cut rates immediately, while 3 others wanted to remove even the promise of rate cuts in immediate near future. Central bank of the world's largest economy can't agree on which direction money should move. And here is why an American interest rate fight matters to you sitting in Mumbai or Bangalore. When the US Fed holds rate high, the RBI can't cut rates too aggressively either. Because if Indian rates fall while US rates still stay high, money starts flowing out of India towards higher US returns. As a result, rupee weakens, imports get expensive, and inflation rises. But something is shifting. Mr. Jerome Powell, the current Fed Chair, whose current term is coming to an end, and his replacement, Mr. Kevin Warsh, a man who has publicly argued for lower interest rates. If Warsh takes over and pushes the Fed towards cutting the rates down, that would give RBI room to cut rates further too. India has already cut 125 basis points since February 2025, and more rate cuts could follow. What that means for you is on a rupee 50 lakhs home loan, every 25 basis point cut saves you roughly 800 to 900 per month. If the RBI cuts another 50 basis points this year, then you save 1600 to 1800 per month, which is 18,000 to 21,000 a year. But there is a catch, that this only works if your bank actually passes on this cut. EBLR loans reset automatically, but in case of MCLR loans, your bank will drag its feet. So check which one you are on. The Fed's internal fight isn't just American politics. It directly affects when and how much the RBI can cut and whether your EMI comes down this year. New Fed chair is about to take over and he wants to cut interest rates. If he does rate cuts, then rate cuts could also happen in India as well. As a result, it will also impact your EMI. But before that, do check that your loan is EBLR or MCLR. Else rate cut would happen, but you won't be benefited. Also do like the video and share it with your family and friends.